Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking a one-pan hake and seafood stew with potatoes. As usual, I will leave the ingredients list at the end of the video and in the description of this video. Enjoy! So I will start off by finely chopping the garlic up. Followed by a bit of onion. And lastly, a bit of red pepper. Okay, and while I've got the knife out, I'll slice some potatoes in about 1 centimetre thickness. Oh, they stick to the knife. So, we have the onion, garlic and peppers chopped, the potatoes sliced. So now I'll turn on the heat to high and I will add a couple of tablespoons of lovely olive oil and wait for that to heat up. So once the oil is hot, I'll turn it down to number 7 and I will add the onion, garlic and pepper and slightly brown it off. Keep this plate here to put that on there. And I'll turn the extractor fan on a bit. Oh, why does it stick there always? Okay, I'll give this a little stir. I find it's easier to using 2 instead of 1. Still needs a little bit more. Just gently browned. Okay then, so this looks just about right. It's gently browned off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to crumble in a fish stock cube. I'm also going to add some paprika, around 1 teaspoon, and of course, to give it that beautiful colour, some yellow food colourant. And to top it off with about half a glass of white wine. So I'll give this a mix around and leave it for a couple of minutes so that the alcohol disappears. Okay then, it's been a couple of minutes. The alcohol has evaporated. You can tell because when you get close to it and smell it, it doesn't throw you back. So next step is to add the potatoes. So the potatoes are in, and now I will add a bit of salt. And I will cover them up with about half a litre of water straight from the tap. Look at that nice colour, isn't it gorgeous? So there they are, all covered up. So what I'll do is turn the heat on now to full heat and bring it to the boil. While we wait for this to boil, let's give this a little clean. There's nothing nicer than cleaning on a clean stove. And also, while I'm here cleaning this away, waiting for this to bubble, which is starting already, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers and the new ones that I've gained in the past couple of days. And let me know where you're from in the comments. It would be very interesting. Okay, so this has now come to a boil. So what I'll do is turn it down to number 5. I will cover it up, leaving a slight gap so that nothing escapes. And I'll leave it there, I reckon about 15 minutes until the potatoes are al dente. And then I will add this 2 pieces of hake and some seafood, frozen. Okay then. So I have to admit this, it wasn't on number 5 after adding the potatoes. I actually turned it up to number 7 because number 5 was just too slow. So let's have a potato check. They are al dente. They've been here 15 minutes on number 7. So what I will do now is add this. You can use fresh seafood, of course, but I don't have a fishmonger's nearby, and it's easier to buy the frozen stuff. I buy it in 1 kilo bags. So I've got mussels, clams, squid, more fish, these big things, another big thing that was around there. So I'll just add everything in there. You can add the water as well because it's fishy and it adds to the taste. So there it is. That stopped the boiling right down, didn't it? So now I will cover it up, leave it there for 5-10 minutes, and then turn the fish over. Okay then, so it's been here for 5-7 minutes, and what I shall do now, look at that, they've opened up, beautiful clams. I'm going to just turn the fish over and just give it a stab check. Perfect. Lovely. So what I will do now is turn the heat off, cover it up, just leave it on that heat and wait about 10 minutes until it stops boiling, and then it's dishing time. Okay, my lovely followers, I hope that you have enjoyed today's recipe video. I would very much appreciate a like, a subscribe, and even a share. And I look forward to making my next video. So have a good day and bye bye.